Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. We begin with another warning this evening about persons with mental illnesses after a physically challenged man was beheaded in Warwick, South Manchester on Friday morning by another man believed to be of unsound mind. The incident has prompted another call for persons to do more to draw attention to and get help for those with mental issues. TVJ's Krista Campbell has the details.
Warwick, South Manchester, a community set to go down in infamy after the events of Friday, June 1. A house, inside it the room where it all happened, and the cane 30-year-old Hainsworth Porter used to walk. Mr. Porter's body found inside his room, beheaded, sometime after 9 in the morning. Family members say they're distraught. A sister spoke with us off camera.
My brother is unable to work based on a motor vehicle accident that affected his mobility. Yes, so me and my sister and brother and my father, we took care of him.
Unfortunately, that sister was not at home when the incident transpired. She said her other sister found their brother's body. The accused, a man believed to be mentally ill, is now on the run. Residents say he forced open the door to Mr. Porter's room and chopped him to death. Another man who was attacked shortly after has been hospitalized with chop wounds. But Mr. Porter's sister has raised doubt about the mental state of the accused.
He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. A person that studies to do witchcraft and, stuff like that. Studies the Maccabee Bible, stripped naked in the street. He lives in the community, but in some bushes where he built some zinc house for him and another guy that works for him.
And not for the first time in incidents like this, a call from the Member of Parliament, Michael Stewart, for residents to be more vigilant and active in bringing attention to persons with mental challenges.
Whenever you know of anyone who has any mental conditions, that we get in the health department to come in to speak to them or to get them into some facility, because it means that everyone is at risk, because somebody else could have been there and he could have attacked them. And so we would want the health services department to be aware of these conditions of persons and to take them into some facility so that we don't have this incident being repeated again.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.